What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Happy MLK J Day. Do we add the junior? MLK Day. So today I wanted to do something slightly different. I still wanted to create a makeup look, but I just did a little bit different. I didn't grab for the products that I would usually grab for, I guess. So I went through my collection to see how many products I can pull out that were either Black owned, made for Black people or people of color, or in collaboration with somebody Black. So of course I do have some Fenty, some Colored Rain, some Black Radiance, but then I also wanted to pull in items that were in collaboration with a Black person. So I have some Jackie Aina from the Artist Couture collection, which is actually, I guess, a person of color friendly line because it is made by Angel. How come I'm drawing a blank on his last name? I don't know, but he is Hispanic, so this is still made by a person of color. And then I have like one indie brand, which is actually made by my homegirl. She runs Impressive Hair Boutique. It is a online based company which she sells hair, she sells units, she sells lip glosses. This is actually one of my favorite. You can tell from the outside it has been well loved, and I actually need to re-up. So anyways, I just wanted to bring you guys something a little bit different in celebration of MLK Day, and also to remind myself that maybe I need to support Black a little bit more often, because after going through my collection, I was like, there are so many like Black owned beauty brands that I have completely not even touched, and that's, you know, shame on me. But I will definitely be picking up more because I'm thinking about doing a February series using as many Black owned products as possible. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Like I said, let's go on ahead and get into the tutorial, and I hope that you guys enjoy.